In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the funny faces effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video clip where you want to add the funny faces effect by clicking the import button and selecting your file. Once your video is imported, add it to the track. Once your video is added to the timeline, navigate to the Effects tab in the toolbar. Here, you'll find all sorts of visual effects to enhance your video. Tap the Body Effects library, scroll down, and select the Funny Faces category. Preview through the available effects such as Embarrassed Face, Big Head, Big Mouth, and Gorilla Face. Select the one that matches your creative vision. Tap the Add button to apply it to your video. Drag its edges in the timeline to adjust its duration. You can apply multiple effects to your video. Just repeat the process of adding it. Once you're done, play back your video to ensure the funny face effect fits well and achieve the desired result. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your video. And that's it! You've successfully applied the funny face effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!